Good morning. It's 10:15. Let's do some power yoga, everybody. All right, so we are going to do some standing bird of paradise again. So if you are not sure, or if you know you're not very flexible, you can grab something. This is actually my yoga bag. That's fine. You can have a yoga strap, or you can grab one of the stretchy bands from the back. I would advise you get one if you're not sure. Nicholas, that's you. No. And just chuck that to the side because you're not going to need it right now. If you're comfortable taking a blind, you won't need one. But that's only for a moment. And then we will assume our normal position, everybody. You're going to come down onto your mat. You're going to lie down. Yeah. Soles of the feet together. Drop your knees open. Supta Baddha Konasana. Make sure your phones are turned off or not even in the room. That would be great. Cool. You can have your hands to your belly. You can have your arms out wide. We can take your arms overhead and hold on to opposite elbows. It's usually my favorite, but just do what feels good in your body. Eyes closed. If you prefer to have your eyes open, you can, but just let your eyes go out of focus a little bit. Happy Saturday, everybody. And even though, yes, this is a power yoga class, I want you to see it not as exercise, but as a self-awareness exercise, and also a nervous system exercise. And if you are new to this practice, guys, please feel free at any time you want to actually just stop and watch if that's what you want to do. We do get into some pretty weird and wonderful positions, so just take it easy, enjoy, and learn. Take 3 more breaths here. Scoop your thighs up, hug them into your chest, take a big squeeze. Okay, hold on to your right shin, take your left leg out onto the floor. Take your right leg straight up, we're going to come into a hamstring stretch. So you can hold on behind your thigh, you can hold behind your calf, or right peace fingers are going to pistol grip around your right big toe and just find a stretch there. Leg does not need to be straight. And with your left leg, press your left leg down and push your left heel away from you. So you're in a dorsiflex position. Okay, as you exhale, lift your chest up and pull your forehead towards your shin and your shin towards your forehead. You can stay here if you like. Otherwise, stay here, reach your hands, try and get your shin and forehead closer. Last step, lift your bottom heel. Keep pulling your shin towards your forehead and breathe. Keep pulling your feet away from one another. peasy. Okay, take your right leg out onto the mat, take your left leg up, grab behind the thigh, the calf, or pistol grip your left big toe. Relax both of your hips down, find the stretch in the left leg. Activate your right leg, pushing it down into the mat and pushing your right heel away from you. Exhale, lift, forehead to shin, shin to forehead. Maybe reach your hands, get a little bit higher. And then bottom heel lifts. Keep pulling your leg towards your forehead, forehead towards your shin. Good, keep dorsiflexing your feet. Exhale. Hug it in, rock and roll everybody. Ooh. Rock and roll up into Navasana, high boat pose. Legs straight, toes pointed, reach. If you need to soften this pose, you're going to bend your knees, you can take your hands behind. And hold. Keep lifting through your lower back. And then cross. Downward facing dog. Take it over. Where have you been? Movements, you need to feel good, everyone, to see how your body feels today. Sometimes we come to the mat and your body feels sweet as. Some days you come and it's like, whoa, what's going on here? Inhale, lift your heels up. Take your heels to the right and then push your sit bones back. Heels to the left and push back. Let's do that again because it felt good. Heels up, to the right, push back, push back, push, 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 push. Lift up, drop your heels all the way over to the left. So you should be on the inside of your right foot, the outside of your left foot. That's better. There we go. Heels up, walk your feet forwards. Ragdoll. Feet hip width apart. Just look at your feet here, guys. Check all of your toes. All of them are facing to the front. Bend your knees as much as you need so that your tummy is either on or close to your thighs, and then you can cross your arms or you can interlace them behind your back. You can throw yourself around here as much as you like, guys. If you're a bit tight through the neck and head, shake your head out a bit. Dump your arms, bring your feet together. Take a half lift. Fold down, exhale. Rise up. Chair pose, bend the knees. Reach your arms up. Exhale, fold down. Half lift, look forwards. Chaturanga, high to low push-up. New people come with me. Step back, drop your knees. Tricep push-up down. Upward facing dog, knees up. Shoulders back. Roll back, downward facing dog. Take your chin, roll forwards to plank. Roll to side plank on your right. Left foot on top, left arm up. Option to drop the bottom knee. Stack your feet, dorsiflex your feet. Lift your left knee up. Step your left foot forwards. Step your feet together. That's it. Half lift. Exhale, relax down. Rise up to standing. Hands to heart, exhale. Chair pose, bend the knees. Reach up. Exhale, fold all the way down. Flat back, fingertips to floor or shins. Chaturanga, exhale. Keep doing it on your knees until you're strong enough for toes. Upward facing dog. Chest forwards. Roll over your toes. Downward dog. Roll forwards. Plank. Vinyasa to your left. Right foot on top, right arm up. Draw your right knee up. Step your right foot forwards. Step your left foot forwards. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Nice, guys. Rise to standing. Hands to heart. Same again. Chair pose. Squeeze your knees together. Squeeze your big toes together. Fold all the way down. Flat back. Inhale. Chaturanga. Hug your elbows into your ribs. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Roll forwards. To your right. Left foot on top. Left arm up. Lift your hips higher. Hips higher. Lift your left knee. Step forwards. Right foot forwards. Flat back. Feel your back muscles. Exhale, relax down. Inhale up. Hands to heart. Inhale, chair pose. Fold down. Flat back, inhale. Chaturanga, if you're jumping into it, you jump into bent elbows, not plank. Upward facing dog. Down facing dog. Roll forwards. Yeah, it takes practice. To your left. Sound effects are welcome in this class, everybody. It's okay. Lift your right knee. Step forwards. Left foot. Half lift. Fold down, exhale. Rise up standing. Hands to heart. Let's do one more each. Chair pose. Exhale, fold. Half lift. So if you're jumping, jump up, back. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Roll forwards, plank. To your right, left foot on top, left arm up. Good, lift your hips, lift your hips, lift your hips. Good, left knee. Step forwards. Step together. Step touch. No, just take half lift. Forward fold. Rise up to standing. Hands to heart. Last one, everybody. Chair pose. Fold down. Half lift, inhale. Step or jump. Low push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Last time, roll forwards. To your left. Right foot on top, right arm up. Right knee. Step. Step together. Half lift. Fold down, exhale. Rise up. Hands to heart and take a chill. Okay, we're going to start our flow in Grasshopper tree pose. Stand on your right foot, pick up your left foot. With tree pose, your foot can be anywhere on the inside of your leg, anywhere. If you struggle with balance, you can even have your big toe down. Okay? Hands to heart. Lift up through the crown of your head. Warrior 3. Left leg goes back, arms go forward. Now back of the body is holding you up. So pull your arms behind your ears, feel your back muscles, use your glutes to lift the back leg. And then start to bend your right knee, crescent lunge. So you drop the ball of the foot down, tuck your tailbone, squeeze your right hip into your left hip. Okay, we're going to circle skundasana to your back leg. So your left foot turns out. Now some of you might just come to halfway. Otherwise full skundasana, drop your hips. Right toes are turning up to the sky. Cool, so just notice here guys, if you've fallen into it, lift your chest up. Find your left arm, use your left arm, push the thigh open. Crawl forwards, left hand down. Outer hip release. Now when we go to outer hip release, it's always towards your front foot. So both of your feet. Where are your feet? A lot of people don't know where they are. Both feet. Turn right. Turn your feet. Turn your foots. Right arm can reach back or you can drop it behind. Now 3 options here. Chaturanga on your knees. Chaturanga on your toes. Or chaturanga right leg up. Up dog, down dog. So just slowly breathing down. Slow your exhale. Take a breath in. Look forwards, step or float to your hands. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold down. Rise up. Oops, I'm tangled. Hands to heart. Vrksasana, tree pose. Pick up your right foot. So you're standing on your left. Foot anywhere on the inside. Hands to heart. Now lift. Use your muscles, not your bones. Can you squeeze your bottom? Warrior 3. Lift everything up to the sky. Try and get your arms behind your ears. Lift your back leg with your bottom. Start to bend your left knee, land the ball of the foot, squeeze your left hip into your right hip, crescent lunge. Also known as modified warrior 1, but whatever floats your boat. Then you're going to swing to the back, skundasana, Turn your right foot out, go for half, or go for whole. Use your right arm here to push that right hip open. And see if you can lift your chest a little bit more. There we go. Good on you, mate. Come forwards, right hand down. Okay, so left foot is forward. So we turn both feet to the left. Both of your feet. Both of your feet. To the left. To the left. Yep, that way. That way. That way. Left arm can be up, back, or behind. Go, lean back. Keep that bottom leg straight. Okay, so chaturanga on your knees, chaturanga on your toes, or one leg chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward dog. Simple hop to your hands. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, rise up. Hands to heart. Pick up your left foot. Lift up through the crown of your head. Warrior three. Ooh, shivers. Crescent lunge. Squeeze your right hip in. Skundasana to the back. Come forwards. Left hand down. Turn your feet to the right. Outer hip release. Chaturanga on your knees, toes, or one leg. Hug your elbows in. Up dog. Downward facing dog. Exhale, step or float to your hands. Half lift, look forwards. Exhale, relax down. Rise up, everybody. Grasshopper. Pick up your right foot. Lift up through the crown of your head. Warrior three. Crescent lunge. Squeeze your left hip into your right. To the back. Skundasana. Push your right hip open. Come forwards, right hand down. Feet turn to the left. Outer hip release. Chaturanga, knees, toes, or one leg. Stop at the height of your elbows. Up dog. Downward dog. Take a little rest in child's pose or just here in downward dog. Take a few breaths. Cool, if you're in child's pose, just relax. If you're in downward dog, see if you can get more length out of your spine. Long spine, long spine, long spine. If you're ready, toe back in, downward dog. Exhale, step or hop to your hands. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Rise up. Pick up your left foot. Grasshopper. Warrior three. Crescent lunge. To the back. Skundasana. Good, everybody. Come forwards. Left hand down. Feet turn right. Outer hip release. Chaturanga, knees, toes, or right leg up. Up dog. Downward dog. time, take a breath in. Step and float to your hands. Flat back, inhale. Fold down, exhale. Rise up. Pick up your right foot, tree pose. Warrior 3. Crescent. Squeeze your left hip in. To the back. Up forwards. Feet turn to the left. Outer hip release. Chaturanga, everybody. And make your way through. Now we can all come down to child's pose, guys. Knees wide, arms forward, or knees together, arms back. Take some water, take a towel. Whew. Downward facing dog, everybody. Step or hop to your hands. Half lift, look forwards. Exhale, fold down. Rise up. Hands to heart. Okay, come to chair pose. Make sure feet are together. Knees are squeezing together. Hands to heart. Left arm crosses over your right thigh. Now as you twist, watch for this happening. Keep your knees together, twist from your waist, and push. You can look over your right shoulder here if you like. Now look down to the floor. Bring your weight to your right foot. Left leg is going to step back to twisting crescent lunge. Lock your leg as soon as you get it back. Lock, 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 lock. Squeeze your right hip into your left hip. So you can lift your chest away from your thigh. There you go. There we go. Left hand, you're going to bring it down to the mat. Side plank. Now you can drop your bottom knee. You can step your right foot on top or pistol grip. Right leg up. Step your right foot forwards again. Roll to warrior 2 to the back. To the back. To the back. To the back. Yeah, so make sure your left foot, look at your left foot, look at your left foot. Make sure it's facing to the back. Now squeeze your bum and reach through both arms. Half moon. Slide to the back. Left fingertips down. Right leg and right arm reach up to the sky. Now make sure you have 99.9% of your weight in your foot. Left hand just there for decoration. Those of you that want harder, take Shavasana, grab the foot and kick. drop your right knee down to the mat. Arch your knees, sweep your arms up to the sky. Cool, now melt your hips forward towards your front heel. Reach your fingertips up. Now if you just turn your little fingers in, you'll feel your shoulder blades go wide. Hands down. Back shin, the one at the back. Turn it in. Turn it in. That's it. Right hand comes to the front. Parigasana. Stretch your left foot away from your left hand. Reach your left arm towards me instead of up. Reach it over your head as far as you can, as far as you can. Three-legged dog. You bring your left hand down and you shoot your right leg up. Okay, here you're going to be a little bit sloppy. So you're going to step your right foot forwards. You're going to drop your back knee and then you're just going to down to your side. Just so your right leg, right foot should be in front of your left thigh. Are we there so far? Okay, this bottom leg, thank you for the thumbs up. It's nice to know someone's listening. Bottom leg, watch if you need to. Bottom leg, kick it forwards. Okay, right hand is going to come around. If you can, you're going to grab the little toe side of your foot. That is not going to happen for everyone. Little toe side of your foot. Now make sure your foot is dorsiflex. Those of you that can't reach your foot, check it out. Your right hand is going to grab underneath your calf muscle. Okay, so we're going to do baby grasshopper. You're going to pull your bottom knee up to the top knee. Okay, listen guys, this is physics. You cannot lift your bum from here. You can't. You could with a crane. You have to come forwards, and I'm going to push into my hand. I'm going to shift forwards and lift. Some of you might like to bring your left hand to your chin and just look like you're very nonchalant. Not today, Nicholas? That's it, that's it. Look at your foot. Look at your foot. Oh, aren't you pretty? You're up, Melinda? Been a few weeks? 3 months. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Down a dog. It's quite muggy, isn't it? The calm before the storm, everybody. Tomorrow we're going to be stuck inside. Okay, last side. Step or hop forwards. Chippos. Make sure your feet are together, that your knees are together. Right arm over left. Okay, knees stay together, hips stay together. Twist from your waist, maybe look up. Cool, so some of you, your feet are still like miles away from each other. Feet together means they should be touching. Look down. Take your weight to your left foot. Right foot steps back, crescent lunge, or quick twisting crescent lunge, sorry. Lock your back leg as quick as you can. Retwist. Look up and see if you can pull your chest away from your thigh. Nice, that's good. Right hand down. Side plank, you've got the option of dropping the back knee. Step the left foot on top. Or pistol grip your left big toe and take it up. Whichever option you're in, lift your hips. Step it forwards again. Warrior 2 to the back. Okay, so this time just check that right foot is straight in front of you. Squeeze your butt cheeks. Squeeze your shoulder blades. There we go. Half moon. Right fingertips come to the floor. Keep 99.9% of your weight in your right foot. Lift your left leg, lift your left arm. Maybe take Japasana, left hand grabs the left foot. Kick. your left foot back, drop your left knee down. Ajane, sweep up. Melt your hips forward. Little fingers turn in and just reach up to the sky. Hands come down. Parigasana, your back shin, left shin turns in. And then your left hand comes to the front. Now pull your right arm over your ear. I want you to pull your right little finger away from your right little toe. Then keep turning into a three-legged dog. Left leg goes up to the sky. Step it forwards. Go, and then just, doesn't have to be graceful. Yeah, so this left foot should be in front. Go. Bottom leg, kick it through so you can reach it. Left arm comes around the front. Grab the bottom of the shin. Calf muscle. Let me get my anatomy right. Or the little toe side of the foot. Whichever you're in, dorsiflex your foot. Pull your little toe and all your toes back. Okay. Lift the bottom leg first, that helps. Now you might need to give it a bit of oomph. I've been doing this for 20 years. You might need to give it some and lift. Or you might gracefully do this, or you might look at me and just do thumbs up. Thank you very much. Or you might bring your right hand to your chin and just look very nonchalant. Oh, look at ya. Down dog. Nice work, guys. Alright, so we've done a bit of standing bird of paradise, so we'll just give it a bit of a practice. So you can come down to your knees. And that's your demo both. Right, here we go. I'll do it on the leg first. Right, so you're going to be here, kind of in a guillotine sort of pose. Now your right arm comes under. As you reach back, you internally rotate. So internal always feels more awkward than external. You're closing your shoulder off. You wrap it around your thigh. Left arm's going to come behind and find a bind. Now, please, this is a bind. This is inappropriate touching. This is a bind. This is not. Get away from your bind. So, those of you that may not have the flexibility, which is loads of people, you're going to hold it in your left hand. You're going to fling that behind you and you're just going to grab. Okay? You're going to step your right foot in. Now I'm going to start with my eyes. You're going to lift my chest. Magically my bind just comes with me. And if you get to the top, you're going to kick it. Go. It's quite moist, isn't it? It's very moist. I prefer that over cold. Don't shake your head at me. Right. So around your right leg first. Hold it in your, now take that. So right arm comes under, internally rotate. Wrap it around your thigh. Strap or no strap. Left hand comes to your right. Step your right foot in so all of your weight goes to your left foot. Start with your eyes. Lift. As you get to the top, maybe kick. Yeah, it's not easy. So, you may not even come all the way up. There too. Chance, don't worry. Okay. Left. Hold your strap in your right hand. Remember, it's this way. Never that way. This way. Now, holding your left hand. Sorry, right. I'm just learning. just a beginner. Left arm comes under, wrap it behind your left leg, strap goes behind you. If you fold your strap in half, it's probably easier. Okay, find your bind, step your left foot in, all your weight to your right foot. Lift your eyes, lift your chest, lift your bind. Okay, you might only just get your foot off the floor today. That might be enough. Holding it, just stay there, stay there. Okay, you're going to practice it one more time on each side. Those of you that want harder, you're going to take stumped inverted paradise, clipped wing, whatever you want to call it. I'll show it this way, so you don't have to see my bottom. So, I'm going to wrap my arm around my shin now. Much harder, much more horrible. Grab the bind, much harder to step in. Now I'm going to bring the bind up. Cool. So if you want to try that, come with me. Otherwise do the first one again, just try again. Last time, last time, last time. So stand on your left foot. You're going to bind around your left shin. Use your strap if you need to. You're going to step in. Same thing, lift your eyes, lift your chest, grip your bind as hard as you can. Oh, that was a bit wobbly that time. Good. Point your toes, point, 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 point. No floppy feet. Never want to see floppy feet. Those of you doing the regular standing bit of paradise, point your toes and you've got to crank those quads to kick your leg up. That's awesome. Good. Anyone else feeling their breakfast right now? Last side. So you're going to wrap, whichever side you're going, wrap it around your shin. Other arm behind. Use your strap. Step your foot in. Slowly lift. Looking sweet, guys. I think some of you find that one easier. Or just no. Or just, you're out. I'm tapping out, man. I'm tapping out. Come down onto your back, everybody. Well done. Let's take a couple of back bends and then we're going to slow things right down. Lie on your back and do nothing to start with. Lose your strap. You might use that in our stretches, so just keep it close. Vinyasa. Bring your feet in close. Feet, knees, hip bones, all in one line. Take a breath in. Tuck your tailbone, lift your hips up. Interlace underneath your back and wriggle the shoulders underneath. So feel full activation through the whole back of the body. If you're not quite feeling it yet, pull your heels towards your feet and you'll feel more of your calves, hamstrings, glutes back. Release down. Come into the same pose or coming into wheel pose. Take a breath in. Exhale, lift your hips, interlace underneath your back. Wheelers, tuck your fingers under your shoulders. If you're just learning this pose, come onto the crown of the head. Just practice being here, otherwise pushing up. Try and keep your toes facing in. Keep your knees hugging towards the center. Yep, awesome. Come on down. Okay, we're going to do two more. Now you can stick with bridge pose the whole time, guys. You can do wheel. Otherwise, this is one that we haven't done for a really long time. So I'll just show you. I'm not great at this because I'm not a great back bender. You're going to grab your left foot and you tuck it into Vinyasa. Stand half saddle. Left foot. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter. Now, I'm going to push down into my right foot. I'm also going to push into the top of my left foot. Then, same thing, coming up into wheel. Keep your foot tucked. Okay, so take bridge, take wheel, or try this variation. If you've got your foot tucked, you can also try and bring that foot and that hand closer to one another. Again, not something for the faint-hearted. Grab this one more left that side. And then you can release down. Nice, awesome. Okay, we've got one last one to go, and then it's all downhill from here, I swear. So, you're going to tuck your right foot under, or other foot. Which one you did. Oh, this one's a lot tighter. Okay, bridge, wheel, or push down into the top of your foot, and the sole of your foot equally, and lift up into your variation of wheel. And once you've had enough, you can come down. That's really good, guys. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, just slowly hug your knees into your chest. Take little rolls side to side, up and down if you like. Good work, guys. It's been pretty action-packed today. So from now on, let's do not much at all. Let's take a couple of rolls up and down. Up and down. Oh. Eventually up to seated, and then stiffies. You might want to grab your strap, have that close by. Take the right leg out. Just grab your strap, wrap it around the ball of your right foot. Turn your belly button to that leg, and then fold. chest open. Now you can have your right hand to shin, left arm over, or left hand, right hand will grab the inner arch, and left hand will grab arm foot. Or wherever you end up, just turn your chest up. Switch. Okay, got you straight, wrap it around the ball of your foot. Turn your belly button to the leg and find your forward fold. You guys alright? Is that a lot? Good. Down to your back for a twist, everybody. Your right knee to your chest. twist. And just going into a short shavasana, everybody, lay onto your back. Just splat, close your eyes. Reach your arms overhead. Take a massive stretch. Oh, and always a yawn. Oh. Happy nervous system. And bring yourselves up to seated, everyone. Awesome. Give yourselves a hand, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me online. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, go and have a nap. Enjoy yourselves. Any questions? Come and chat. Thank you.